This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015 set 3. So the question states, suppose xi for I equals to 1 to 3 are independent and identically distributed random variables whose probability mass functions are probability of xi equals to 0 is equals to probability of xi equals to 1 equals to 1 by 2 for I equals to 1 to 3. Define another random variable. So we have a random variable y equals to x1 into x2 XOR x3, where XOR indicates the XOR operator. So the probability of y equals to 0 slash, so probability of y equals to 0 slash, given that x3 equals to 0. So we need to find what is the probability of this y function being 0 given that x3 is 0. Okay, so suppose we have a XOR b, a XOR b. So what is XOR operation? XOR operation is equals to a complement b plus ab complement. So if we have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, so 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Now it is given that the second item is 0. So for the x3 to be 0, so how we can expand it? See, if we assume it to be a and this to be b, then it is equal to a complement b plus ab complement, and we need to make the entire thing 0. Now as b is 0, so this term will be 0 independent of the a value, and as it is 0, so we will have a 0 complement is 1, so we will have a, which means our a value should be equal to 0. So a is x1 into x2, which means x1 into x2 should be equal to 0. Now what are the possible values of x1 and x2? We can have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is x1 dot x2? It's 0 0 0 1. Now it is given that x1 into x2 should be 0. So there are 3 favorable outcomes out of the total 4 sample space. So probability for y to be 0 given that x3 equals to 0 is 3 by 4, which is our 0.75. So answer to this question is 0.75.